Does that mean somebody tried to start up some afternoon, noon mass, a congregation on the corner of the street because they see the church wall? Folks, amazing, right? It is a church. It's called the St. Joseph the Workers Parish Church. McDonald's, we are open. Download your app and get your fact. Right on the side of the highway. Straight. What else am I going to see in this underpass? Well, comparatively pretty clean, no graffiti. Forget about it. It's only a small bit. Just small things like that cannot trouble you. Oh, what's all this rubbish? Yes. Clock tower. Lovely. Lovely little clock tower there. Harrow, West Harrow, Hillsdale, and Edgemere. Get your foot on. Beware, criminals. We're entering the smart water area. Huh? It's crazy. Look at this. Cottage. Welcome to Northwood Hill, Hillingdon. Huh? It's okay for that. It's not much rubbish, is it? Oi! Northwood. Looking good. Funeral undertaker's doing well. It's got an Audi and a Range Rover front of their home. It's crazy, right? Even if you die, you have to pay. Beware. Or beware of the criminals. No, criminals beware. 1891. Northwood. Where's the old coat? Is that really? I should get an apartment here. Oh. Do you think I should move in here? True Lover's Court. This is where you should find the real love. Gravel pits. Field maple. From 1800, gravel dug for road, gravel worked out, public amenity space, and then community nature trail. English elm, field maple. So that's the field maple leaf, and that's the English elm. The horse's drinking pond. This is flower pond. No horses in here. Pena, Rickmansworth, Lanswick, Harrow, Watford. Where else is coming? This is Hertfordshire now. I'm walking. There you go, folks. Bushy, Oxley, Hertfordshire. And welcome to all the rubbish. Doesn't matter which county you're in. Three Rivers Fair Trade District, Fisher County. Hey, folks. And don't forget all your fly tipping and bumpers and rubbish and liquor bottles and beer bottles. Welcome to Hertfordshire. Yeah. Rickmansworth. Welcome to Rickmansworth. Three Rivers, Rickmansworth. And don't forget your rubbish, cigarette boxes, all kinds of things. That's terrible, don't you think? Welcome to Rickmansworth. Low gear, 12 degrees gradient. Welcome to Rickmansworth. Yeah. Seems like we're in the country. Look at that. Lady there sweeping the front of the house. It's beautiful. Wow. The zebra is looking out. Look at that. A zebra looking out. To enjoy a warmth there. The tree has been shut. What's going on there? Toy vault. And then tattoo parlor here. Right next to the kiddies' toy collection. A tattoo parlor. And then fireworks. And then barber's shop. What are you going to expect from a kid? Waterside. Beautiful. Look at this, folks. Nice little place. Through Maple Cross and then Slough. No, just before Slough, Langley. Or maybe Uxbridge. The old Uxbridge Road, right? Look at this. Can't even leave a road sign alone. Where are you? Where are you? The old Uxbridge Road going towards, well, Uxbridge, I suppose. Through Denham, Maple Cross. How are we doing, sir? How are we? How are we keeping with life? I hope life can treat us well. Public Rickmansworth 04. Painsfields Lake. Yeah, it's just over there. Look at all this. Walk through there. Beautiful. Walking towards what's that, Denham? Whoa, what's going on there? Buckinghamshire, folks. And look at all this rubbish on the street. It's crazy, right? Shark Bay, Western Australia. Yeah. Just have to keep running. This is on the middle of the road. There's no walkway. There's no pedestrian section here. Yeah, folks. Now, community hall, and they also become homes now. There you go, folks. The Denham. This used to be the Denham Studios. Denham Studios are now Denham Film Studios are now apartments, 4 and 5 bedroom apartments. Fantastic, right? Yeah. Denham Film Studios. They're no longer filming. You can be in a film studio apartment now. Ready to move in 4 and 5 bedroom homes to Denham Green. Please drive carefully. Office for Bosch and Broadwater Pack and Intercontinental Hotel Groups, IHG, and that's Crown Plaza and all those. Their corporate offices. I'm in Denham, and still no idea. It's 9 o'clock, getting dark. Denham Village. See there, look, Denham Green. All this pitch dark now. So let's see what's going to be. Higher Denham, and that's the mosque. It's mad, and that's rubbish. And now I got to walk on this road. There you go, Lakes here in Denham. There we are, folks. Denham Parish Council. Stobler. Yeah, nice little bus stop here in Denham Parish. A long way to go. It's Gerard Cross that way, Uxbridge that way. Here I'm coming from High Denham, and yeah, so I'll be walking down Uxbridge Road. Central London, Uxbridge, Heathrow, Slough, and that way Gerard Cross and Beacons. New Denham, folks, New Denham. Reaching New Denham. There are buses, there are taxis, but I'm going to walk. I'll be like this man with a dog. Peaceful. KFC. Walking for 10 hours. 10 and a half hours. Let's see how many.